ga itay des. And now for another example. My blank itches. So we will incorporate or add the body part. Like, my nose itches, which translates in Japanese as Hana ga kayoy desu. For another part, which is the ears or the mimi, in Japanese translation of my ears itches. So in Japanese, mimi ga kayoy desu. Now let's have another expression. Like for example, the English word, I have a fever. In Japanese translation, it is netsu ga arimasu. Again, netsu ga arimasu. Another phrase, I have cough. In Japanese, seke ga